Hi everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Tips and Tricks with Apps Events and Acer. My name's Dean. I'm just packing for a trip to New Hampshire for our summit taking place over the next few days. So this week, I thought I would share a few of my best tips for using my Acer Chromebook 15 offline. So whether you're traveling by plane, train, or just in a car, here is how to get the most out of your Chromebook when you don't have internet access. So let's start by taking a look at Gmail. Now Gmail recently released their new design, and the new design now means that you can access your email offline through the web like normal. All you need to do is go into Settings, select Offline, and then choose your options for accessing your offline email, which include how many days worth of email you want to store offline, and also what happens to your email if you log out of the account. So when you've got no internet access, you can just continue to open, read, and reply to your emails as normal, and when you reconnect, all of those replies will automatically be sent for you. Next up, let's talk about Calendar. Now unfortunately, in the new Google Calendar, offline access isn't available via the web, but you can get around this by downloading the Google Calendar Android app on your Chromebook. And the Android app works offline like a dream, so you'll be able to add and see your appointments whilst you're on the move. Probably the biggest area where we're going to work offline is in Google Drive, and it's really easy to access and carry on working on your documents when you lose internet access. All you need to do in Google Drive is click the settings gear, choose settings, and then tick the box that allows you to sync Google Docs, Sheets, Slides and Drawings to the computer so that you can edit offline. And that means when you have a document open like this one, as soon as the internet drops out, you'll see a little icon at the top of the screen, but you can just carry on working like normal, and then when you're reconnected, everything will be synced back. And finally, if you're just looking to have some fun on your Chromebook, you might want to download the Spotify Android app, which will allow you to listen to music offline and download your favorite tracks. Or if you want to watch some films on a plane, why not go to the Play Store and grab the Netflix app? Download it to your Chromebook, and again you can sync films and watch offline to your heart's content. And Android apps on the whole generally run offline, so you could even do things like use Adobe Photoshop Sketch or take notes in an app like Squid. So there you go, Chromebooks are just as versatile when they're offline as they are when they're online. And with the addition of Android apps, it's even more powerful offline than it ever has been before. I'll see you again next time, have a good one.